How are you?
So, hello, ma'am. Good evening. How are you doing?
I am good. How are you?
We are doing excellent. Thank you so much, ma'am, for asking. What about you?
I'm good and happy to see you after long.
Yes, ma'am. We are so delighted because after a long time we are connecting with you. Really, we're so delighted.
Yeah, same here. So, how are your studies going on?
Yes, ma'am. If I talk about study, is going very greatly because as we are studying 8 standard, so most of the time we always have to adhere our study.
So, ma'am, before, some
Hmm?
a lot of times ago, I just only alone I made video with you, make a conversation. My sister don't have idea about you. So, would you like to introduce yourself once again, please?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. I listen to you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. My name is Pallavi Thingra and I'm an English trainer by profession. And I have been teaching online for more than 10 years. And I am postgraduate in English as well as TEFL, TESOL certified trainer. And I am from Delhi, India. And I really love to teach. This is all about me.
Oh, by listening your speech, I think that you're so experienced about it. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Okay, so now you both can also introduce yourself.
Sure, ma'am. As you have given me a golden opportunity, I'm so curious to give my introduction here. So this is Maliha Masud. I study in 8th standard. If I talk my family, so there are 4 members in my family. It's a nuclear family. They're my parents, me, and my brother. Most important thing is that we are belong to Bangladesh. If I talk about us, we are twins as well as we study same standard, 8th standard. So this is it about me.
All right, happy to hear. And you?
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. So, ma'am, as we have much experience about learning English, about teaching English, and you're really trained in English, so would you like to give us some suggestion and tips and tricks so that we can improve our spoken English as well?
Yeah, you can improve your spoken English. First of all, the suggestion I can give to both of you is to go a bit slow while speaking. You both can be impactful. Why? Because you're going with the speed of a train. So you need to bring it to the speed of a cycle to be more impactful. I'm not saying you are saying it bad or so, I'm telling you how to be better. Yeah. So suppose you are saying, okay, we are from Bangladesh. You are saying like this. Now try to say it like this. The pace I am telling you, your volume should be high, but the pace should be slow. Like we are from Bangladesh. So you will be more impactful while putting yourself and the other people can understand you well. So this is something you both can do now as you both are studying also, so you can inculcate and learn new vocabulary that will help you in your studies also and try to use them. And how you can learn vocabulary in a weird manner that you won't forget, because otherwise what happen, you learn and then you forget or you do not find where to use it. So learn in context means, suppose you have to learn the word monkey, just a basic example. So you will now learn green monkey, then you will never forget. How can a monkey be green? So this is such a weird thing that comes to your mind, and our mind loves weird things. Yeah, so again and again, now you will remember green monkey, green monkey. So now you will remember the word monkey. So in this way, remember something in weird context. You will remember it for a longer time period and learn something in context. As in, suppose at the moment you have to speak on something. So just wonder like what could be the vocabulary words for the particular topic. So in this way you can recall, or even you can Google. Suppose the topic is about education, so you can just wonder like what could be the possible words I can use for this topic. So you write down these words, or else you can Google the words related to education, and then you remember, you will always remember. This is the way for kids to recall and remember the things. So these two things you can implement. Number one, make your pace a bit slower. Number two, learn more vocabulary words, and that too in context and weird way. So you remember also.
Okay, ma'am, I have got it. Really, you have told us correctly because I have heard so many people has told us already that you should speak so slowly because some viewers and some audience they can't understand your word, what you were saying. But really, I'm so disappointed a little bit because nowadays I'm thinking that I can't speak so slowly. It's going very spiritually, but I'm trying much more nowadays. If I talk about the vocabulary and especially nowadays, every single day I try to read a vocabulary, single vocabulary, so I can remember it.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us their valuable tips and tricks. And these two things we are doing, and in future we also keep doing this. We're trying to speak so slow that at the time we are speaking, we are trying our best. Also, we are trying to find out new vocabularies from our passages on textbook or other sources like phones, on tablets, on any kind of other books. We are trying our best to find out and memorize. You can say read and study some more vocabularies to improve our spoken English.
So, ma'am, one question I would like to ask you, that is that suppose I can speak English a little bit, not so fantastically. While I'm speaking, I don't use advanced word, advanced vocabulary. So, can't I enhance my spoken English?
Yes, you can see now, like at the moment, you feel the urge to use vocabulary words. So you think, like, right after a conversation, you can even go through this recording again and wonder at which place you can use a better word. That's what I ask you, like, learn in context. Like for the conversation, or before doing any conversation, you can look what are the words I can use while talking to somebody. So then you will be using it. You Google it, you will memorize, and you use it, and you will remember.
Okay, I got it. I have heard to so many person they are saying if you don't utilize the advanced word while you are speaking, you can't remember it. I have heard like this.
Yes, that's why I asked you remember in weird manner. Like I told you, green monkey. So it's so weird. How can a monkey be green? So remember in weird way. So you will not forget. Because I know it's human. We forget the things.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are human being. It's natural. We will forget it. Your your suggestion is so correct.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you so much. Okay, and now to cut the conversation short, I have a class. So we need to just wind up over here.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
ma'am.
Actually,
No problem.
truly speaking, just now our tutor has come, so we also need to. We are urgent to go out.
Okay. So
Thank you.
it's the right time.
So much, ma'am, for giving our precious time.
Thank you so much. It
Okay,
was
bye.
great
Okay,
conversation with you.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.